Hey guys, it's me. Please subscribe to this video. I don't have so much subscribers. I'm about to go to school, and if you know pottery, you'll know what I'm going to talk about. I made this at my grandma's. Oh, sorry. Made this at my grandma's. She painted it, but I did all the forming. It's a really nice cup. So, if you know me, you know my dog, Conan. Ready, Conan? Big to big crowd. Conan. I'm born, so I'm taking my time on life. Taking my time. And watch my Musical.ly videos, please. Then I just set out a couple of 3 others, and those have not uploaded yet, but they will upload soon. He's falling asleep. So I'm bored. I'm taking my time on my life. So that's Conan when he's asleep. You tired, Bubba, aren't you? He's tired. Taking my time on my life. Come on, let's go get some food. And in some other video, I will set out that Conan, well, maybe I can do it right now. Conan knows how to dance. You know how to dance, don't you, Bubba? See, I take these straights, and I do this. Dance, Conan, dance. No, dance. Dance. Dance, Conan. Dance. There's my mom. Hey, Mom.
Oh. Don't put me on YouTube.
I won't. Like from the Creeper video. That one was funny. Check out Wrecking Ball. Then you'll see my mom.
Well, our vlog's still on.
I already put Conan on YouTube. Put him on a long time ago. Comes up and licks the screen. I'm taking my time on the line. Watch, I failed. That one's my brother. And my Minecraft and Conan and Dog and Clothes. Those ones are all funny. Those ones are actually my real one that I'm actually talking. Which this one is too. But it's gonna really take a long time to upload. So if you're watching this right now, please just think that, so in 25 minutes there's going to be one that uploads, and in a couple minutes, there's going to be, in 20 something minutes, there's going to be a couple that upload, 2 or so. No, 3 probably. Then my brother got this when we went to California. This is his carry-on that he got. It says, one has the picture of Rocky Mountain National Park. One says Garden of the Ghost. One says Colorado. One says Denver. Another one with Colorado. And Prize Break. So that's the end of this video, but see you next time. Bye.